Hi everyone, welcome back to the Web3 channel. My name is Zach. In this video, we are going to be looking at AMEX's CEO hints at exploring ways to allow credit card holders to redeem points for crypto. As per usual, this basically shows that we are seeing more institutions really trying to take an approach that will help bring crypto and Web3 into the mainstream. And of course, realistically, why would they or why wouldn't they? I think we know why. We're exploring other ways potentially to redeem your membership rewards points, but I don't think you're going to see an AMEX card linked to cryptocurrency anytime soon. So this definitely is an bullish but also bearish position here, but let's go through it. American Express credit card holders may one day be able to redeem points for cryptocurrencies, but the company has no immediate plans to issue a crypto-linked credit card. My personal belief, without having even read this, my hot take, I guess, here would be that Amex doesn't want to align themselves with it yet, which I would guess is based on US regulation. Hopefully, once we see this regulation in print and we see it, of course, in writing, then maybe we'll see a bit more excitement when it comes to banks like this. That being said, in a Tuesday interview with Yahoo Finance, Amex CEO Stephen Squeri said credit card holders were probably not going to see any AMEX crypto-linked card anytime soon. But essentially, and I'll just say this now, my guess is that they do at the same time want to be at the forefront of crypto and Web3 enthusiasts. But the company was already involved in using cards for stablecoins and monitored for central CBDC developments from the US government, and that's what we're talking about. The CEO said he considered major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin as more of an asset class like gold, but did not think that they would facilitate payments in the same way as credit cards given their price volatility. Right now, of course, not financial advice. You don't have the service with crypto, you don't have to dispute rights with it, you're not going to get any rewards, and you're not extending credit. All of those values that occur with a credit card do not lend themselves to cryptocurrency. We're exploring other ways potentially to redeem your membership reward points, but I don't think we're going to be seeing an Amex card linked to crypto. Visa and MasterCard seem to be ahead of Amex when it comes to partnering with firms for crypto benefits from cardholders' purchases. In January 2021, crypto exchange Gemini released its own credit card, allowing users to earn up to 3% back in Bitcoin. Huge. In 2020, BlockFi announced it had partnered with Visa to let cardholders receive 1.5% of their purchases back in Bitcoin. The benefits aren't limited to cardholders based in the US, as is sometimes the case for travel and hotel rewards. In December, MasterCard announced it would be launching a crypto-linked payment card across the APAC region, enabling users to convert digital assets into fiat. I would wonder why Amex is taking a different approach to, say, Visa and MasterCard. I'm sure we'll learn that over time, but honestly, like I say, the fact is that they're talking about it, they're looking at it, they're looking at what they can possibly do without actually getting further into the scene properly, and they're talking about how they're going to benefit crypto enthusiasts, and I think it's obvious why. Going forward onto Yahoo Finance, where I believe we have a more fuller, I guess, approach to this, we have here again, we aren't seeing any consumer cautiousness. This is from Amex CEO again, and Chairman is striking an upbeat tone on a global economy still wading through COVID-19 and now dealing with increased stock market volatility. We don't see a more cautious start to the year. The momentum that we had ending last year is still going. Travel bookings are up 19% in the first 2 weeks of January, continuing from 24% growth in the fourth quarter. We aren't seeing any cautiousness at all. Here is how Amex performed compared to Wall Street estimates, looking at 12.15 billion USD versus 11.5 billion USD and a diluted EPS of $2.18 versus $1.83. American Express saw top and bottom line growth with all of its global economy continue to improve from the pandemic. The results were paced by the global merchant service segment. Sales rose 31% from a year ago to $1.5 billion. Looking for the cryptocurrency specifics is not necessarily going to be easy here, I can see, but essentially we have overall gone over the real news, which is that Amex is definitely dipping its toes in the water, but I will say that I think they will be behind, or at least they could be. I mean, realistically, I guess if they have, and most likely I'd imagine that they will have operations that maybe they're just not talking about everything, maybe they're just not showing the cards. I'm not saying that this is what's happening, I don't have any inside information, just my own personal analysis looking at how Visa and MasterCard are approaching the same scene in a very much more bullish approach, in my opinion. That being said, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. This is the Web3 channel, covering everything happening from crypto, NFT news and metaverse news. Have a great day everyone, I'll see you in the next Web3 video.